Welcome to Thinkerspace. Today let's make radar system using IoT. Here we have used ultrasonic sensor as the input, Thinkerspace brain board, and we have used two outputs, servo motor and smartphone. The smartphone is connected to the Thinkerspace brain board through internet. Here we have used one 3-pin connecting wire and one 4-pin connecting wire. We use one 3-pin connecting wire for the servo motor and one 4-pin connecting wire for the ultrasonic sensor, and here we use the power supply. Let's connect the components. Here we have connected the ultrasonic sensor to the input 3, and here we have connected the servo motor to output 1, and we have connected a smartphone to the Thinkerspace brain board through internet. We are done connecting the components. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the Thinkerspace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will select brain board. Now click on create new project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on save new project. Here the design space has been opened. Now as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here I added ultrasonic sensor as input 3, and in output 1 I added servo motor. Now go to the menu and click on save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Codespace. The Codespace has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Now select Hardware Input Condition. Distance with 3 condition. Click on Select this condition. Now again go to Add or Edit Input Condition. Now select Add Default Line. Do you want to enable it? Yes. In the default condition, go to servo motor. I will select scan on. The scan on till 180 degrees. Now click on save settings. In the distance 1 to 20 cm in servo motor, I will select scan off, save settings. In the distance 21 to 40 cm in servo motor, I will select scan off, save settings. In the distance 40 above, I will select do nothing, save settings. In the default condition, in custom message, in the string message 1, I will type no UFO detected. Now click on save settings. In the distance 1 to 20 cm, in custom message, I will type UFO detected. Now click on save settings. In the distance 21 to 40 cm, in custom message, I will type UFO detected. Now click on save settings. In the distance 40 above, in custom message, string message 1, I will type no UFO detected. Now click on save settings. In the IoT output 1, in the default condition, I will select custom message 1, no UFO detected. Now click on save settings. Now do the same thing for the other 3 conditions. In the radar system IoT project, in the default condition, we have set the condition for the servo motor as scan on till 180 degrees. Means the servo motor will keep on scan the 180 degree space, and if any object is not detected by the ultrasonic sensor, in that case, in the custom message, we have typed no UFO detected. So in that case, in the IoT message box, we will get a notification as no UFO detected. UFO over here is unidentified foreign object. And in the distance 1 to 20 cm, means the object is too near to the ultrasonic sensor. In that case, the servo motor will stop scanning and it will be at that position where the object is detected. So by that standard, in the IoT message box, we will get a notification as UFO detected. In the distance 21 to 40 cm means the object is not too far or not too close. It is in a medium. So in that case also, the servo motor will stop scanning and later we will get a notification as UFO detected. If the object is more than 40 cm, in that case we have put the condition as do nothing, and in the distance 40 above, we have set the condition for the servo motor as do nothing, and the message that we have typed as no UFO detected, and in the IoT message box we will get a notification as no UFO detected. So like this, the radar system IoT project's coding works. Now after generating the code, click on Save Code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is Tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the Tinkerspace Brainboard. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the Tinkerspace Brainboard. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now let's implement it in the model. Here we have completed the model of our project. Here we have fixed the ultrasonic sensor, servo motor and Tinkerspace Brainboard. Now let's do the demo. Over here, the ultrasonic sensor will detect the unidentified flying object and display it on the smartphone.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our Tinkerspace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open Tinkerspace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway Tinkerspace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.